It's a beautiful day for remote learning, a beautiful day for a lesson. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a studently day in this beauty wood, a studently day for a lesson. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a student just like you. I've always wanted to teach in a classroom with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my student? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my student?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Nichols' Neighborhood. It's me, your teacher, Miss Nichol, and I'm here with my best remote teaching helper, my sister, Kaylee Nichol. Hi. Hi. Today, I personally love this lesson because we are using, oh my goodness, I forgot to change the sign, Kaylee. Start again. Back it up. Yeah, sit down. Here we go. Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Nichols' Neighborhood. It's me, your teacher, Miss Nichol. I'm here with my best remote teacher helper, my sister, Kayla Nichol. Hi. Hi. I personally love this lesson because today we are working all about using a number line to subtract. Yes! I love number lines because we can make sure that we're very accurate or precise or correct with our subtraction problems, okay? Now, maybe you remember a few lesson videos ago when we had used a number line to add. To use a number line to add, we started at the larger number and moved forward towards bigger numbers to add on that many numbers. Well, today, to subtract, we're going to go back on the number line. We go towards smaller numbers. Because remember, with subtraction, we're taking away. The answer gets smaller. Okay? The numbers get smaller in subtraction. Let's go ahead. I'm going to model it for you, okay? Looking up here, I have a number line that goes from 1 all the way to 10. Throughout your school career, you'll see lots of different number lines that may start and end in different places. Okay? Let's go ahead and all read our subtraction problem together. Get ready to read it with me. Ready, set, read with me. 4, take away 1 equals. Remember that minus sign, that take away sign means we're doing subtraction. We need to go towards the smaller numbers on the number line. We need to go backwards. Just like we count back to subtract, we go back on the number line, okay? For subtraction using a number line, you're going to start at the large number, the whole, the number you're subtracting from. So in this case, we're going to start at 4. You're going to put your pencil on 4. Then you're going to move back this many spaces. Take away 1. You're going to move back 1 space. So you go 1. What number did I just land on? I landed on number 3. And so that's my answer. I had 4, take away 1 equals 3. Right there. That was just right my answer. I love number lines. It's so nice. You get to move exactly along the number line and see exactly where your answer is. Yes. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our next problem. We're just going to keep moving through because the more you practice with number lines, the easier they'll become for you, okay? Let's go ahead. Everyone get ready to read. Read this subtraction problem with me. Ready, set, read with me. 12, take away 5 equals. We see that minus sign, take away, means we're going back on the number line, okay? Going towards smaller numbers, just like we counted back in the last lesson video. To subtract on the number line, you're going to start with the first number, the number you're subtracting with. So Kaylee, what number am I going to start on? 12. Find 12 on your number line. Good. How many am I going to subtract or take away, or how many spaces am I going to go back, Kaylee? 5, yes. And it's just like the counting back we did, except now we have a number line to help us keep track. So I'm at 12. I'm going to go back 5 spaces. I'm going to count to keep track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. But 5 isn't my answer. It's the number I land on, which is number 7. Yay! So 12, take away 5 equals 7. Yep, where you land on the number line. It's just like the counting back we did in our last lesson video. And it's basically going 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. You're counting back on the number line. You're using the number line spaces to help you keep track of you counting back. Okay. Well, hopefully you're like, okay, I can believe this, Miss Nickel. Subtracting using a number line. Great. Kaylee and I are going to get ready to do a few more problems for practice. Here we are with our next 2 sets of problems. Let's go ahead and read our first problem. Get ready. Ready, set, read with me. 8, take away 4 equals. Remember that minus sign, take away. Make sure that reminds you you're subtracting. Your answer should be smaller than the first number, okay? Let's go ahead and subtract using the number line. You're going to start from the number you're subtracting from, the larger number, 8. So you're going to find 8 on the number line. Now, if I'm subtracting, am I going to go forward towards bigger numbers or back? Because it's like I'm counting back. Am I going forward or backwards?
I get back.
Backwards, yes. If that's what you were thinking at home, yes. If you need a little reminder, there you go. Counting back, okay? Kaylee, how many spaces am I going to count back? How much am I subtracting?
4.
4, good. So I start at 8. I'm going to use the number line to help me keep track of my counting back. So I go 8, I go 1, 2, 3, 4 spots back. And I circle the number I land on to help me keep track. What number did I land on, Kaylee?
I would say
It says 4. Okay? We counted back 4 spaces. We did 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 8 take away 4 equals 4. Yes. 4. We're counting back just like we did in the last lesson, but using a number line to help us keep track. Okay? Okay. Should we look at our next problem? I think the best way to get better and better at number lines is just practicing and practicing, okay? Let's go ahead and read our next subtraction problem. Ready, set, read with me. 15. Nice job, Kaylee. Take away 7 equals. Remember, that minus sign means take away subtraction. We're going to go back on the number line, okay? What number am I going to start with on the number line?
15.
15. Good work, Kaylee. So I'm going to take my pencil, find 15 on the number line. How many spaces am I going to go back? 7, yes. So I'm going to go 15. I'm going to count back 7 to help me keep track of my time. 1, 2, can't touch each number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Circle the number you land on. Can you see what number that is, Kaylee?
8.
8, yes. 15 take away 7 equals
8.
8. We counted back. We basically did 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And that's how we found 15 take away 7 equals 8.
Hey.
Yay!
Yeah.
Well, I'm hoping we're becoming more and more comfortable with number lines. The main thing is to remember to start at the first number, the number you're subtracting from, and carefully go back the correct amount of spaces. Okay?
Okay.
Next, we're going to do our last 2 problems for this lesson video, where Kaylee and I work on and kind of help show you, give you some hints, what you can do if they don't give you a number line. Hint, we can make our own again.
Ooh.
Here we are with our last 2 subtraction problems for this lesson video. Let's go ahead, get ready to read with me, and read our problem up here. Ready?
Yeah.
Set, read with me. 5 take away 1 equals.
Oh.
Let's first remember that we see the minus or take away sign. So that means we are doing subtraction, okay? 5 taking away. So our answer will be smaller.
Whoa.
If I wanted to use a number line, but I don't have one here, could I make my own?
Do it.
Sure. Let's go ahead, just like we did when we were doing addition with number lines, to do subtraction with number lines, I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. Since when I'm using a number line to subtract, I start at the number I'm subtracting from and work my way back, I only need to make a number line that goes up to the number 5.
Oh.
So I'm going to go ahead and mark some numbers down. I'm going to go 1, 2, nice counting, 3, 4, 5. Does mine look exactly perfect like our textbooks or computer-made problems will give us? No, but that's okay. I can still see my numbers, and it's still going to help me with my subtraction problem. Okay? Just like we've been doing, I'm going to start with the number I'm subtracting from. I find that 5 on the number line. How many spaces, Kaylee, do I need to count back to subtract? 1. Good. So I start at 5, go 1 back. What number did I land on?
4.
4, yes. So 4 is my answer. We started at 5, counted back, went 5, 1 spot, 4. And we found our answer. Okay, let's go ahead, do our very last problem for this lesson video. Ready? Or read it with me. Set, read with me. 10 take away 3 equals.
Oh.
Remember, take away means subtraction. We gotta count back. Go back on the number line. Our answer will be smaller, okay? We're taking away, subtraction. Again, am I given any number line? Do I have one here?
No.
Could I make my own though?
Are you?
Yeah, I can do it. I'm just gonna do the best I can, make my own number line. I'll draw a line. A little wobbly, but that's okay. It's just gonna help me do my math. And I only need to do from 1 up to 10. Okay? So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, you can make your line a little longer if you need to. 9, 10. I have my own made number line. Cool. Now let's go ahead, use it to solve the problem. Remember, you start at the number you're subtracting from, the large number. And you're going to go back, so I'm going to find 10 on the number line. How many spaces am I taking away. How many spaces do I go back?
Wait.
3, yes, if that's what you're saying, following along at home too, yes. So I'm going to start at 10, I'm going to go back 3, I'm going to count back 3. 1, 2, 3. I counted back and landed up on what number?
That's it.
7. So I counted back, I did 10, 9, 8, 7. I counted 1, 2, 3 to help me mark my spots. I ended up at 7. So I then found that 10 take away 3 equals 7.
That's it.
Yeah, and even though I didn't have a number line, I was able to make my own to solve it, just like you guys can do, okay? Well, I hope we're becoming a little more comfortable with subtraction and using a number line, even if we have to make our own, to solve our subtraction problems. Just make sure you're being very careful to start at the number you're subtracting from, the greater, larger number, then carefully go back the correct number of spaces, okay? You got this. Keep practicing in your learning packets and have a great rest of your remote learning day. Bye, everyone.
Hi, Bad.